Pareto principle, how to do less, and get more. 20% of efforts give 80% of the result, and the remaining 80% of the effort, only 20% of the result. Compliance with the principle of 80-20 is observed in various fields. 20% of regular customers bring 80% of profit. 20% of all goods give 80% of the turnover. 20% of the population own 80% of wealth. 20% of employees perform 80% of the work in the company. 20% of the financial portfolio brings 80% of profit. Only 20% of knowledge gained by mankind bring 4 times more benefits for human development. In 80% of our daily speech, we use only 20% of our vocabulary. Consequences from the principle. The bulk of the effort does not lead to the desired results. Only single actions lead to important results. Most of the actions, group or individual, represent an empty waste of time. Conclusions. You can quickly get most of the desired result. Not all things are really important. Many little things can be abandoned. It is necessary to focus on 20% of what really matters, which will really bring 80% of the result. The most difficult thing is to determine the priorities and concentrate your time and effort on what is really important.